So I got this charger. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I found out that it could charge the Apple iBook and a Powerbook. I have a 2.5 right here, a 2.5 mm to 3.5 mm, which is like exhaust. What's it called? It's called aux wire, AUX. And if you want to purchase one of these two, see if I could like search up the code on here and put it in the description, and this on the description if they still sell this charger. But so what I'm gonna do is cause since this is a 2.5 mm socket, which is like a really skinny one, and well, the one I have right now is a 3.5. This is a 3.5. This one is a 2.5, so which it only works in this one. So I found out that it actually charges. Alright, because I'm gonna use this. Let me pause the video real quick, because I'm gonna show you that it actually powers on this Apple. Alright. Oh my goodness. Sorry, could have done it real quicker, but I accidentally dropped my tripod, so I have the charger with me. So I didn't fully made my own, my connection where I connect the red and black, the positive and negative. So what here, I could actually use this charger right here, the 24-volt charger, and I'm gonna connect this together with this, which is a 3.5 mm. So I'm gonna do this is connect these. Remember, this thing is connected, so I'm gonna connect this like this. Oops. Accidentally took it from the positive part of it. So if you like to see a tutorial how to do this, I'll probably make a part 2 video if you want to see how you do it. But here's a proof first. So I'm gonna connect it like this, and then I'm gonna power it on. It's kind of hard. Alright, hold up. Oh, you hear it now? If I could just like turn the phone, my phone camera, where I could face it, where you could see the Apple logo, but you could actually see the light coming through the screen. So yeah, it works. So if I was to disconnect this, you see the screen would turn off. So there we go. See, so it works. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, just comment if you wanna see a tutorial how to do this, and I'll put the link in the description. And what parts, not parts, but what you could buy to get the thing I have right now. So yeah.